As we gather to celebrate World Social Workers Day, we honor the heart and soul of our communities, those who work tirelessly behind the scenes to bring about social justice, equality, and human dignity. Today we recognize the incredible impact of social workers whose dedication and compassion transform lives every day. You are the unsung heroes who help rebuild broken families, support children in need, and guide individuals through times of crisis. Your hands help lift people out of despair. Your words provide hope, and your actions ignite change. As we continue to face unprecedented challenges in our world today, the need for skilled, passionate social workers has never been greater. We need you to be the next generation of leaders, innovators, and advocates who will ensure that no one is left behind and whose work ethics will embody the ethos, the ideals, and the principles of social work, where the client's well-being and welfare are paramount. I will say that there are too many instances of complaints about the lack of professionalism and poor mannerisms and treatment of persons by social workers. And I look to you students, to make that much needed change as you transition into the working world of social work, to restore the compassion and professional ideals that are so badly required. I am not only here to celebrate the work already done, but to challenge each of you, particularly our students in the room, to consider the immense value of joining this incredible profession. We need bright minds, dedicated hearts, and capable hands to continue the important work of social transformation. And I call upon you to step forward and be part of this movement. This ministry is committed to strengthening the social service sector. In the coming months, we will be introducing several key programs and legislation aimed at expanding social support services across our nation. The Social Workers Bill is nearing completion and has benefited from input by Ms. Hopkinson and team. I sincerely thank them. This legislation seeks to provide registration and licensure, and also to develop a social work council which monitors, regulates, and maintains accountability of social workers among their other functions. The legislation also speaks to the nomenclature of social workers, identifying various categories of social work. In addition, the Ministry of Human Services and Social Security is poised to introduce a new paraprofessional course in collaboration with the Social Work Department of the University of Guyana for aspiring social workers in the hinterland, rural, and remote communities. This course has been developed by Ms. Hopkinson and team and will provide those persons with the opportunities to study and work and to gain entry to diploma programs at the University of Guyana. It will also address critical gaps in social work service provisions in those underserved areas, aimed at making therapy and counseling accessible to every citizen, and will expand our programs to combat domestic violence, providing better resources for victims and survivors, to support vulnerable youth, ensuring they have the tools to thrive in education, employment, and life, as well as children, and to improve overall our response time to crises. But these programs cannot succeed without you. They cannot succeed without a team of passionate, skilled social workers who are deeply committed to the values of service and, importantly, justice. You are the future of this ministry. You have the ability to make a difference, to create sustainable change, and to be part of something bigger than yourselves. We need professionals who are not just well-versed in the theory of social work, but who also have the practical knowledge and training to make real change.